I would like to invite you all to come check out South Orchards. South Orchards is a neighborhood located in South Richland, just minutes away from Mercantile, highway access, and just 10 minutes to Costco. So there's lots of convenience, whether you're looking to get on the highway or having shopping nearby. South Orchards is the neighborhood to be in. We have our first 5 specs going up, including our model home. They are currently at foundation stage and framing will be starting here soon. We will be offering floor plans ranging from the almost 1,500 square feet to almost 3,000 square feet. Most of our plans will have 9-foot ceilings and amazing finishes. We will be offering our Dream Series Plus package, which will include lots of fun upgrades, including quartz countertops in the kitchen, granite countertops in the bathrooms, and our backlit Titan signature mirrors. All of our floor plans will be including 3-car garages in this neighborhood. The garages will be textured and painted. We will also include a pre-wire for an electric car. And then for our exterior finishes, we'll be having stucco and lap siding, as well as a selection of stone accents per plan. If you would like to learn more about this neighborhood or have any additional questions about the homes that we're building, please feel free to reach out.